Hi there, it's Ali here from Needle Rock. Shwmae o'r gweithlu Needle Rock. So hopefully you've seen lately that we've launched a brand new cushion range. We're going for something unique in the marketplace and we've launched a collection of round cushions. Now one's going to appear, hold on. Ta-da! So this one is one of my favourite crushed velvets. This one's Dream. We've got a gold button, gold piping, and if you pop it round the other way, we've got some mock croc in a fantastic amethyst. So these are available on our website. We've made some, so these ones are available to buy straight away. Or we've got loads and different selections of fabric, so you can mix and match and design your own. So head over to the Needle Rock website. There's the cushion shop, and all the details are on there. And if you want to have a special 10% off, click on one of the ads we've got going out or on our Facebook post, and you'll find a link there to get a 10% off code. So let me show you a couple more for my lovely assistants there. So this is a Bengal tiger. Fab, we love this one. And on the back, nice bit of aqua green. Now we've got a few animals in the range. We've also had some with giraffes covered on the Dream, but those are all just shot at the workshop. So you can design whatever you want. This one we thought has a really good Halloween theme. It's a bit like a pumpkin, isn't it? Or if you fancy something a bit more glam, this lovely Babylon fabric with the bronze in there and the carmine red button. So we hope you like these as much as we do. And as I said, we've got oh, I didn't say what I did mean to say. We've got other sizes as well. So this is a 22-inch, and then we have little babies. So these are 14-inch. These ones actually have been specially made to go with this fantastic sofa that we've got on offer at the moment. But as you can see, they come out, even the Diddy ones come out really nicely. So we hope you love them as much as we do, and head on over to the website needlerock.co.uk/cushion shop, and we'll see you soon. Hwyl am nawr, ta-ra!